Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. I'm here with my DNA ancestry results. Yes, I know you guys have been waiting. I've mentioned like 3 or 4 weeks ago on Instagram that I got my results in and I'm now just making a YouTube video. I know, I'm late, I know. I think I did the test in February or March. And I just got the results in, okay, not just, I'm lying. You see, I'm lying again. I'm lying. But the results are here and I'm excited to tell you that I'm from Wakanda. I got my ticket to Wakanda. T'Challa himself is coming to the gate to pick me up. Before I tell you guys about the results, I want to tell you a little bit about my background. I'm Surinamese. I'm from Suriname. Suriname is a country in South America. It's above Brazil, next to Guyana and French Guyana, if I'm correct. In Suriname, there are so many ethnicities, like it's multicultural. We have Native Americans, Indians, African Surinamese, the Marons. We got Creole, we got like everything. Japanese, we have everything in Suriname. So my mom is Creole and Native American and my father is a mix. Just like Suriname is a mixed pot of everything, my father is a mix of everything. And that's the reason why this test is so important, because I want to know exactly what I am. But anyways, let me show you the results. I thought I would be more Native American, but I am not. So I'm 75% African. I'm Nigerian, you know. Now I need to come with a jollof cooking video. Do you make it with basmati rice? Tell me, all my Nigerians out there, tell me how do you make jollof. Let me come with a jollof cooking video for you. And almost 29% of Sierra Leone. Like, my Nigerian and Sierra Leone peoples. My peoples. I'm 5.4% Scandinavish. Interesting. So the part Scandinavish is Sweden, Norway, and Denmark. And then I have 2.5% English. Okay. I need to go to the loo. Where is the loo? Can I go to the loo? 4.2% South European, Irish. So that is Spain and Portugal. That's the reason why I'm so interested in learning Spanish and Portuguese. It makes sense now. It's in my blood. I'm Spanish and Portuguese. Now I need to visit Spain, Portugal, and I need to visit Brazil. Just saying. And I'm Asian. I'm Asian. I need to visit Tokyo. Like Chinatown. So I'm 5% East Asian and 2.8% Central Asian. East Asian is Chinese and Vietnamese and Japanese. Oh my gosh. I'm 2.8% Central Asian. I have to Google like, what is Central Asian? I need to Google that. Okay, you lost me there. So you got Kazakhstan. I know this is wrong, but when I'm thinking about Kazakhstan, I'm thinking about Borat. I don't know if you guys saw the movie Borat, and he was from Kazakhstan in that movie. But anyways, okay, Kazakhstan. Interesting. And I am 4.2% American. Colombia, Venezuela, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic. You see? That's the reason I'm so interested in Spanish. I understand now. I understand. It makes sense. It makes sense. And I'm 1.3% Native American. 1.3%? I'm kind of disappointed. I wanted to be more Native American since my granddad is half Native American. But it makes sense. If my granddad is half, my mom should be probably a quarter and I should be a small percentage. I understand. Okay, I understand. And this is very interesting. I'm almost 1% Oceania, I guess. Which is Papua New Guinea, Fiji, Solomon Islands, and Vanuatu. Don't come for me in the comments. I'm not shocked at all, especially not about the Papua New Guinea, because when I was 7 or 8 years old, I had blonde hair, I had light eyes. Listen, if you would put me in a village on Papua New Guinea at the age of 7 or 8 years old, you would not see any difference between me and the children of Papua New Guinea. Basically, I'm one of you. That's what I'm saying. I'm one of you. This is a list. My DNA is all over the place. I'm definitely shocked that I'm almost 3% Central Asian. But for the rest, I'm not shocked at all. As I said before, Suriname is a mix of everything. Even our language, Taranantongo, is a mix of Spanish, English, Portuguese, Dutch, Creole. And I also had a feeling that I would be part African, Asian, American, European, because these ethnicities are familiar in Suriname. But now I know what I am, because asking my mom or dad about my ethnicity is a struggle. I'm glad I did the test. I know you guys have been waiting for a while now, but it's here. I did it, it's here, and all I have to say is I'm gonna be late for my flight to Wakanda, so peace, y'all.